Hello Internet and filmmakers of the world. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Canon colors on a Sony camera. One of the biggest complaints that us Sony fanboys have is that the color science and skin tones on our Sony cameras just isn't quite there, and we want it to look a little bit more Canon-esque. This is where EOSHD Pro Color comes in. It allows you to get nice, vibrant, rich, Canon-esque colors on your Sony camera. It's nice because it's simple to get set up on your camera, and it's nothing that you have to download, install, or anything complicated like that. It's just some simple but very particular settings that you have to dial in on your camera and save to one of the picture profiles. Let's take a look at a few of the example shots I took right now. First, you're going to see the default Sony colors with the picture profile off. Then I'll show you the EOS HD Pro Color shots, and then Pro Color extended range after that. I'm using the exact same exposure and lens between each of these different shots. Now take a look at her jacket. It actually changes colors completely between EOS HD Pro Color and the picture profile being off. You can see how much more rich the colors are on the left and more saturated than on the Sony default colors, where she just looks more washed out. And here where she's looking much better and the colors just look so much better. At night, the colors are looking almost all the same. The tree does change a little bit here on the left, but the sign itself really has basically the same colors and saturations throughout each of them. EOS HD Pro Color makes red look so much more realistic than the strange orange color the Sony default colors give you. And it's actually so much more accurate to the real world. Looking at the yellow wall on the right, you can see how each of the profiles makes it look almost totally different, and the extended range really makes that color pop the most. I found that Pro Color Extended Range really added the most pop of color and saturation, especially against the Sony default colors. The yellow umbrellas render out so differently between each of the profiles, and so does her dress and the car seat. The reds look much better on the Pro Color than they do on Sony default colors. Now, I normally shoot in Cine 4 or S-Log because it gives me more freedom to color grade in post. However, this is perfect for those projects where you're just turning over the footage to the client, or maybe you just don't have time to color grade, but you still want your footage to look awesome right off of the card. So this is perfect for people who are vlogging and already spending a lot of time editing. They're not going to have to worry as much about color grading anymore. Now keep in mind that when you're using EOS HD Pro Color, you're really baking these colors in, and you're just not going to have a lot of wiggle room in post to make a lot of adjustments. So I wouldn't recommend using it if you're planning on doing some heavy color grading in post. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the way this makes my footage look. It makes the colors so much more vibrant, and it handles a lot of them much more accurately than the default Sony color science does. I've actually filmed the entire talking portion of this video with EOS HD Pro Color. So if you like the way that this looks, it might be a good thing for you to check out. I want to give a special thanks to Harv from the YouTube channel Harv Video Audio Stuff. Thank you so much for sending me a free copy of this. I never win anything, so that was awesome. Guys, if you want to learn how to light and shoot better videos, hit subscribe right now. I have so many more videos coming out on shooting, editing, everything like that. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.